This year becomes very great for my company. The main reason because of AI agents, we got great results. We can save a lot of money to hire or outsource a lot of people, and we can create a lot of great content at scale that can bring high organic reach and sales. So I can divide my career in two stages. The first stage when I started my SEO in 2008, and since then we hired a lot of experts, outsourced many great web developers, designers, content managers, copywriters, other experts who help us to craft a lot of content, plus 1,000 articles, many landing pages, and we got millions in sales for many years. But since this year, things change, and today we can get much better results with AI agents, and even more, we can save a lot of money and time to explain and teach AI how to do better. So we cut almost all copywriters in outsource. We don't have a huge team of web developers that we did for a long time because of AI agents, because of AI coding, how you can go ahead with that. So in this video, I want to share with you the entire process, what you can do for your projects, how you can win great results in AI search, because Google is changing as well. And Google can say about that the future belongs AI search. Gemini can provide great results. Google AI Overview and Google AI Mode are not traditional 10 blue links. So you need to adapt, you need to find the way how to keep getting results, because Google can steal traffic, of course, but Google can steal sales, and Google still needs to recommend great products. So in this video, I want to teach you how you can get great results and go ahead. Stay tuned, the best part is coming. And before we start, I want to say thank you for Semrush for sponsoring this video. It's a great tool, and I will share with you how you can use this tool to get amazing results, because you don't need to have SEO experts. Because you have this tool, you can get a lot of insights and use these insights in your strategy. So take the link in the first comment or in description, use this tool and get amazing results. Okay, let's start. First, the most important element for any project today is to create the right strategy. How you can do it? Open Claude. I use Claude. You can use other AI agents, but I like Claude more because it's very amazing and smart agent. I usually use Claude Project, Cowork, but you can use Claude Code if you want. I just recommend Claude Cowork. The main reason because it doesn't steal a lot of tokens. I never say that. But in Claude Code, I don't know why. For 10 minutes, this tool can steal around 8,000 tokens for simple prompt. It's a lot. I can't allow that. But in Claude Cowork, you don't need to break your pocket. You can use this tool. And for me, it's very important to use maximum subscription model, because sometimes I don't have enough data even for this maximum subscription. I use 2 accounts. You can buy extra credits, but from my experience, if you use extra credits, you can lose all these credits very fast. So basically, it's better just to create a new account and use 2 subscriptions, as I usually do, because for me, 2 subscriptions, maximum subscriptions, can provide great results. So use Claude Cowork, create your project, and what you need to do: open Semrush, open Google Analytics, open Google Search Console in your Chrome, and tell, okay, please analyze everything what I have. I share with you all insights. Basically, you can speak with AI like this and tell, okay, analyze everything that I have in my Chrome from Semrush, from Google Analytics and Google Search Console, because Google Search Console can show pages with great opportunities. Probably they rank from 11 to 50, or high visibility, a lot of impressions, but don't bring a lot of traffic, low CTR. So basically, ask Claude to analyze these pages and provide great strategy. Second thing, GA4 can provide a lot of insights about your users, customers, how much time they spend on your website, what they usually do. So you learn all this data, just provide everything to Claude. You don't need to even to become an expert on that. Just tell Claude, analyze everything from your tools. And of course, you need to analyze competitors, and for that you need to use Semrush. Semrush one is very good on that because you can find keywords, you can learn AI search results, you can do many things in just one tool. You can learn about technical optimization. So I usually tell Claude, okay, analyze everything from Semrush one to take all this data and create me the right strategy, because we still need to analyze competitors. And it's a big mistake if you ignore it. From my experience, websites that usually ignore can't get great results because they just are looking for the door in the dark room, but you can't go ahead with that. So basically, just guide your Claude to analyze all this data. When you have this data, prioritize things. I still do many things manually. Probably 90% of time of my job is going to AI agents. So Claude and Codex, I love both. All of them great, because Claude is very good with UX. It creates great landing pages, great design. It can analyze a lot of things, but Codex is much better with website development, vibe coding. So basically, I usually create content with Claude and give tasks for Codex to deploy them and to fix many things, to optimize pages. It works for me much better, so I use this combination. I have maximum subscriptions for both accounts. If I need more, I don't buy extra credits. I just pay for one more subscription and use all this data. It's very important for me to get real great results. So when you learn all insights from Claude, just open Google. When you have the strategy, open Google, analyze your competitors. What I can see, Claude can mislead. Claude doesn't understand the user intent right. But when you spend time to analyze competitors, the length of their content, what kind of value they provide, outdated information, competitors gaps, many things, because Claude can create a real great big article, but irrelevant to user intent. If you explain to Claude, okay, let's create less but quality, because if you create plus 100 articles with Claude, it doesn't help you. But if you check out manually, if you analyze all these things, you can provide much better results. You can create less but quality, because it's very important today. Everyone can generate plus 1,000 articles, but nobody can create high quality without spending time manually. So I still check out manually, and when I'm satisfied with something that I have learned, I can guide Claude much better. Okay, look at, so competitors have this gap. User intent about that. Create me the right structure. Analyze content. Draw me infographics. So basically analyze. If Claude doesn't provide results from the first attempt, ask second time, third time before you satisfied with the quality. If you feel it's quality, then I usually go to Codex and tell, okay, deploy all these things, because you don't need copywriters, you don't need content managers. You can submit everything to WordPress, to any other CMS. And today I want to be honest with you, I don't use WordPress. I stopped using the system. I stopped using frames and many other CMS, because today with vibe coding you can control everything. You can create all plugins what you need much faster with better quality, because WordPress can limit you. You can get pasted insights in yellow or red zone, but with vibe coding you can create real great content that load for 1 second for desktop and around 2-3 seconds for mobile. It's amazing. So basically with vibe coding, I usually tell Codex, okay, create me this content, clean HTML, can explain about intent and get real amazing results. When you create this content, you need links. You still need links. What I like on Semrush, because you can use this tool, you can analyze competitors, what kind of links they have, the number of backlinks, quality of these backlinks. You don't need even to understand how it works. You just tell Claude, okay, open Semrush, analyze competitors, analyze their backlinks, and tell me how many backlinks I need, what kind of backlinks I need, PR, guest posts, anything like that. Just use Swipehead SEO, but acquire links, and I prefer to cooperate with great link builders, or even I use Claude for outreach as well, you know. So I connect Claude to link building tools and tell, okay, make outreach, connect with people, acquire me backlinks, you know, to get awesome results. So today AI agents can replace 90% of my time and provide great results with manual review, with manual editing, and it can bring awesome results. And the last thing, what you can do, you need to measure your results. I still do GA4, I can analyze all data there. With Semrush, you can use AI search brand mentions. It's very amazing today. I think like it's controversial because someone can say, no, you don't need to do it. The main reason because it's personalized for everyone. But even if it's personalized, let's imagine it's inaccurate, but it's still better than nothing. It's much better than nothing. You can learn, okay, you are growing in AI search or not. So, and you can use two tools. The first, Google Analytics to analyze if you really get traffic from there, Google Search Console, or you can use Semrush to learn brand mentions if that was mentioned without clicks, and it still brings sales because people can open your website to search for your domain and get awesome results. Okay, guys, that's it for today. So if you need any help, just comment below. Claude overview, I will provide you the entire process. I will share PDF where you can to put the entire process that I explain on this video with step-by-step guide. Okay, comment below, ask me anything in the comments. If you need my help, just book a free consultation. We can learn about your project and lead in the right direction. Stay tuned.